Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sanem Tutor. Students, today in this session we cover complete concept of chapter Introduction to Algebra, Class 6, DAV Public School, Cuttack. So let us start the session. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. So first we discuss what is our objective, then brief history about algebra, then introduction, algebraic expression, then solve activity 1, then terms, that is like terms and unlike terms, variables and constant, then coefficient, and the next concept is rules of operation of algebraic expression, then addition of algebraic expression, then subtraction, then evaluation of the algebraic expression, then solve activity 2, then summary. Okay, and what is our objective after this session? Then you can understand the language of algebra, okay, and understand the variable, difference between variable and constant, then to form an algebraic expression, how to form, then identify the like and unlike term, then know the number of the terms in the algebraic expression. Then you can find the number of the terms in algebraic expression, then substitute the number for the letter of the alphabet in expressions and the formula. Find out the additions of algebraic expression by the two methods, that is horizontal and the column method. Also for the subtraction, evaluate the algebraic expression by the substituting the given value. Okay. So now start the session. A brief history about the algebra. Algebra began its journey. First, you remember algebra is the branch of mathematics. Began around 1550 BC, that is 5500 years ago, in Egypt, using the symbol to denote the unknown number. Okay. In India, Indian mathematics Aryabhat is said to have introduced algebra in India. Who introduced algebra in India? That is Aryabhat. And the first person to develop algebraic method of problem solving was the French mathematician Francis Vitet. He is also known as father of algebra. Okay, remember. And the next, what is algebra? Now the part of mathematics in which letters and the other general symbol are used to represent the number and the quantity in formulae and the equation is called algebra. Okay. So let's solve. Can you tell me 6 plus box equal to 10? So tell me what is the box? Now box equal to 4. Yes or no? Similarly, suppose, can you solve 2 plus x equal to 10? Tell me the answer of x. Then what is the value of x? Now we can say that x equal to 8 because 8 plus 2 equal to 10. Yes or no? So means, so letter in math are just the missing number. Yes or no? So we can say that when the letter of alphabet represent the number, they are called literal number. Understand? Now. So next, try this yourself. So tell me the first questions, comment. 2 less than x. We can say that x minus 2, yes or no? So next, question number 2. 4 more than d. More than means plus, that is d plus 4. Now next, 6 together with a. 6 together with a means a plus 6. Y more than g. So g plus y or y plus g. Z less than. Okay, so z less means minus z. So q minus z. Next, m less than 5, that is 5 minus m. So also remember twice of z. Twice of z we can write 2z. Okay. So also quotient. Quotient of x and y. So we can write x by y. Understand? So now. So next, what is algebraic expression? Before you know about numerical expression, also you solve means 2 plus 5 plus bracket 7 divided by 7 into 8. This is called numerical expression, means numerical number with operation, fundamental operation, that is multiply, division or addition, subtraction. Okay, this is called the numerical expression. Then what is algebraic expression? Now algebraic expression is the combination of the number and literal number with fundamental operation, that is plus, minus, into and division is called algebraic expression. Okay, example 5x plus 3y minus 4. So 5x is one term, or 5x, 3y and 4 are parts separated by the symbol plus and minus. Okay, so this is the example of algebraic expression. Here numbers are 5, 3 and 4, operation is minus and plus, variable or literal number is x and y. Okay, this is called algebraic expression. So now solve activity 1. So can you tell me how many sweets are in the bag? We don't know, because we have to call it n for any bag. If you don't know how many sweets, then you can say that n. So for any number you can say that n number. So can you tell me how many sweets are here? Now no sir, because in the 3 bags are there, that is 3 bag of n and 2 more extra sweets are there. So we can say that we can write this 3n plus 2. Yes or no? Similarly solve this. Can you write the expression for the number of sweets in the picture given below? So how many n's are there? How many n number of bags are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can write 6n plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6n plus 5. Okay. Now part of algebraic expression. Okay, this is important. The first is term. Then what is term? Now in algebraic expression, the operation is separated are called term. So tell me here how many terms are there? 3 terms. That is 3x, another is 2y, another is 7. These are called terms. Okay. In term, then what is term? Now the part of algebraic expression separate by the symbol plus or minus are called the terms of algebraic expression. Okay. Then like terms and the unlike terms. If the term having the same variable are called like term and the different variable are called unlike terms. Example 4x, 7x and minus 2x. Here variable are same. Yes or no? That's why they are like term. Okay. But in this example 7x minus 5y, 5x square. So variable are different. That's why they are unlike terms. Understand? Now next question, the next concept, that is variable. So what is variable? Now variable means a variable is a symbol which represents the quantity that can be changes. Means here we can put the value of x as 1, 2, 3, ... Means the value of x not constant. That's why they are variable. Okay. Then constant. Constant means the value does not changes. It's called constant. Means what is constant? A quantity which does not change. Its value is called constant. Okay. Now coming to coefficient. Coefficient is very important. Okay. Then what is coefficient? Now coefficient means the number that is multiplied by the variable. Suppose a variable is 7. Variable is x. X is multiplied with a number that is 7. So 7 is coefficient of x. Okay. So here x coefficient is 3 and y coefficient is minus 2. Okay. And the coefficient 2 types. One is numerical coefficient, another is literal coefficient. Then what is numerical coefficient? Numerical coefficient, the numerical value. So tell me what is the numerical coefficient of x? So numerical coefficient of x is only write the numerical value, that is minus 7. So tell me literal coefficient of x. The literal coefficient means minus 7yz. Okay, this is called literal coefficient, or simply you can say that coefficient of x. So here tell me numerical coefficient of xy. Simply that is minus 1, because there is no number, so we can write 1. So here is minus, that's why you write minus. So literal coefficient of x is minus y. Here coefficient of a, that is 2, and the coefficient of a here is 2b. Okay. So next concept, for this expression, so solve the questions. For the expression 7x plus 3y minus 9, name the terms. How many terms are there? 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. So we can write first term is 7x, second one is 3y, and the third one is minus 9. Yes or no? Similarly, the constant is 1, that is minus 9. Coefficient are 7 and 3. Variable is x and y. Okay. Now name of algebraic expression. Okay. So algebraic expression, if there one term are called monomial, 2 term then it is known as binomial, and the trinomial means 3 terms, polynomial means more than 3 terms. Okay. So suppose example is 3x, it is 1 term because it is known as monomial. Same binomial, x plus 6, it is a binomial. So tell me, x plus 2x is a dash, monomial or binomial? It is a monomial, because after we solve, because they are a like term. If there are like term, then you count 1 term. So here is 1 term, because when we solve, that is x plus 2x, that is 3x. So 3x is 1 term, that's why it is a monomial. So tell me, x plus 2y minus 3x, it is a binomial or trinomial or monomial? It is a binomial, because x and minus 3x are like term. So count 1 term. So this is another term. So there are 2 terms. So that's why this is binomial. Understand? So next, operation on algebraic expression. So operation means that is the 4 operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So also remember, 2 and more terms can only be added or subtracted if they are like term. Okay. So unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted. Okay. So suppose x and y. So you have 15 number of pens and 16 of toys. Can you add it? No. So you can write 15 of x and 17 of y. Y denoted as toy and x is denoted as pens. So 15 pens and 16 toy. So that's why 15x plus 17y, because like term can be added but unlike term cannot be added. Okay. So here is 10y minus 7y. So we can add it because like term. So 10 minus 7, that is 3y, means when they are like term, only we add or subtract the coefficient. Okay. So next concept, addition of algebraic expression. So how to add? Jack has some toy. Okay. We do not know how many toy he has. So can you say that Jack has X toy? Yes or no? Yes. So if Jack buys 6 more toy, then how many toy has he now got? Now X plus 6, because before he have X toy, now 6 more than means X plus 6. So X plus 6. Then addition of monomial. So how to add the monomial? Okay. Some example, one example is add 5x, 4y, so 4x and 3x. So first write down the number with addition sign. Okay. With then we added the coefficient, that is 5 plus 4 plus 3 with bracket x. So 12x. Okay. This is the addition of monomials. Then unlike terms. Okay. 4x, 2y minus y and 3x. First we added, but first we put the sign, that is plus in place of comma. Now we arrange like terms, that is 4x with 3x, 2y with minus y, then addition. Then 4 plus 3 is 7x, 2y minus y, that is y. So answer is 7x plus 2y. Okay. Now addition of binomial. Okay. So 2a to solve the addition of the algebraic expression, that is horizontal method, another is column method. Okay. Then what is horizontal and what is column method? Now these questions we solve by the horizontal method. First, simply we put the sign in place of comma. Okay. Now open the bracket, remove the bracket, identify the like term. So first we remove the bracket. In the next line we write the like term or group 3x square. Then first we write with plus x square, then plus 5x minus 5x minus 3, then plus 1. Now addition 3x square plus x square, that is 3 plus 1. Okay. So 3 plus 1 4, 4x square. Now 5x minus 5x cancel because 5 minus 5 0. So we write 0. Now 3 minus 1, so 3 plus 1, here is different sign. Subtract 3 minus 1, that is 2, big number sign, that is minus. So answer is 4x minus 2. Okay. Next, column method. In this method, each expression is written in separate row such that the like terms are arranged one below other in a column. Okay. First you write the first algebraic expression, then you write the second algebraic expression in place of same variable. Okay. So first we write down x square in below the x square, then minus 5x, then plus 1. Now simply addition. Okay. Now subtraction of algebraic expression. Okay. Ram catches x fish. Okay. And Bharat takes 3 away from it. Now Ram has x minus 3 fishes. Yes or no? So similarly, subtraction can be solved by the two methods. First method is column method, another is horizontal method. But in subtraction, first we change the sign of the subtrahend or the second. So how to solve? So suppose one example, 2x square plus 2y square minus 6. So first we write the second one because after from we write first. So first write down 3x square minus 7y square plus 9. So now we write the first one. So 2x square we write x square place below the x square, that is 2x square. Now we write plus 2y square. Now we write minus 6. Now we change the sign of the second expression, second algebraic expression. So here is plus minus, so we can change the sign as plus. Here is plus, we change it minus. Here is plus, we change it minus. Okay, this is the first step. And the second step is now subtract. Now the second expression sign is plus, here is minus, here is plus. So check, here is plus plus, same sign mean addition, 9 plus 6 15. So answer is 15 plus. Okay. Now here is minus, here is minus. So same sign means addition, 7 to 9 minus y square. And the third one is different sign because here is plus, here is minus. So plus minus minus 3 to 1. So x square. So 1 lekha hue ni direct x square. So answer is x square minus 9y plus 15. Similarly, this is the column method. How to solve in horizontal method? Now first we write the second expression. First write down. Then write the first expression with bracket. Okay. Now open the bracket means sign will be changes. How? Because minus plus minus minus plus minus 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 plus. Okay. Now arrange the like term, then addition. Understand? Now try it yourself. So how to solve? Now first we arrange, that is 4a and 2a. So write down 4a plus 2a bracket plus minus 5a square plus 3a square bracket. The first one is 4 plus 2 6a. Then here is different sign, means we write the big number sign and subtraction 5 3 2 2a square. So answer is 6a minus 2a square. Similarly solve this. Okay. Second one is minus 5a minus b, and the third one is minus 3x minus 2y, and the fourth one is 4, here is 10 minus 14, so minus 14x square, here is 7x. Now minus 13r square. Okay, because plus 2r minus 2r cancel, 7 7 14, 14 minus 1 13 minus 13r square. Understand? Now evaluation of algebraic expression. Okay, how to evaluate? Evaluate means we substitute the value of variable, that is x or y or any literal number. So here the expression is x plus 4, okay, and the value of x equal to 2. So we put in place of x, that is 2. So put the value, that is x, in place of x we put 2, so 2 plus 4, that is 6. So evaluate the expression is x plus 4 equal to 6. Similarly, if the Radha was born in 2002, you can find out what year Radha will turn 18 by adding the year she was born to her age, means 18 will be added, that is 2020. Similarly, x can be Radha's age, therefore Radha turned x year old, so the expression is given as 2002 plus x. Yes or no? Now evaluate the expression for the given value of the variable. Okay, the expression is 4x minus 3 and the value is x equal to 2. So similarly put 4 into 2 minus 3, that is 8 minus 3 equal to 5. So answer is 5. Okay, now try it yourself. Evaluate x plus 4 for each value of x. Simply first we put x equal to 14, then we put x equal to 83. Okay, and the second question is the expression 7d gives the number of the day in the d weeks. Calculate the number of day in 52 weeks. Okay, evaluate, simply we can solve. Now solve activity 2. Think a number. Okay, first you think a number, then multiply it by 2. Add 10 to the number, divide total by 2. Okay, now subtract the number you pick from that total. Okay, and the answer is 5. Yes or no? If yes, then comment. So first step, suppose you think a number, that is x, then step 2 is multiply by 2, that is 2x. Yes or no? Now add 10, that is 2x plus 10. Now divided by 2, that is 2x plus 10 divided by 2, that is x plus 5. Now subtract x. So x plus 5 minus x equal to 5. So answer is 5. Okay. So now summary. तो हमें कौन सी किले? Now first, the letter which are used to represent the number is called literal numbers or literals. The literal number obey all the properties regarding the operation of addition and subtraction, multiplication or division. Constant is a quantity which does not change its value, like number of days in March, okay, and the number of centimeter in 1 meter. These are the constant, does not changes. Variable is a quantity which changes its value, then the temperature of the day. Okay, algebraic expression is the combination of the number, literal number, and fundamental quantities. The part of algebraic expression separated by the plus or minus symbol are called term. And by term we can say that monomial, binomial, and trinomial and quadrinomial. Terms having same variable are called like term, and the terms having different variable are called unlike terms. For addition and subtraction of algebraic expression, only like term can be added and unlike term cannot be added, and the addition and subtraction can be done in two methods, that is horizontal method, another is column method. Yes or no? And the mind mapping diagram, first we understand introduction to algebra. First, what is literal number? Literal number is represented by x, y, a, b, that is small English alphabet. Okay, small English alphabet. Then what is constant? We know that constant means the number, that is 1, 2, 4, minus 5, minus 7. Okay, and the variable is similarly x, y, z, a, b, c. Coefficient, two types of coefficient. One is literal coefficient, another is numerical coefficient. Also, we know the operation, that is addition and subtraction, two method, algebraic, constant column method and the horizontal method. Algebraic expression, one term monomial, two term binomial, three term trinomial, and the higher polynomial means n term means polynomial. And the terms are two terms, like and unlike terms, and evaluation means only put the value then solve the algebraic expression. Okay. And in next video we solve all the worksheet of your book. So if you want to see the session, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.